Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to delete X data on iPhone. So the most comprehensive way how you can delete your X data using your iPhone is deleting your X account. But before that, you may want to have a copy of all your X data, so you want to request and download archive of your X data, because when you delete your X account you lose all access to your data and you'll have no such possibility to access your X data. So if you want that, now I will show you how you can do that. You want to tap your profile picture in the top left. Now let's scroll down to settings and privacy. Now in your settings, go to section your account and let's go to download an archive of your data. So after it, you want to sign in to your X account. In this window you can do that, and after this X will prepare a large zip file for you, which will include all the messages, your posts, your media, basically everything. It may take up to 24 hours to receive the file, so you'll have to be patient with it, but do not worry because X will notify you when the file will be ready to download. So download that zip file and you can unzip it on your computer. So now when you have your X data archive, let me show you how to delete your X account. You want to go back to your account section in your settings. Now let's tap option deactivate your account, and on your screen you have some information about it. You can read that, and at the bottom side of the screen you want to tap this red deactivate button and then confirm. Enter your X password to confirm that you really want to deactivate your account, and after this X will delete your X account. And actually you can reactivate your account if you change your mind at any time within 30 days of deactivation by simply logging back into your X account. But if not, if you do not log back into your X account, after 30-day period ends, your account and all the data that is associated with it will be permanently deleted. So yeah, that's basically the only way how you can delete your X data, and I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if it helped you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.